So this quick tutorial is just showing you the three different options that you have to warp text. So we're going to go in and add our text box, and I don't like the Procreate features on this, so I'm actually going to do a finished design here in a little bit and just import it from Canva. But once you have your text, I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw a circle with just like a regular like script brush. And once you finish your circle, if you hold it still, it will actually complete it for you. And then you can click two fingers on the screen and it will make a perfect circle. But once I do that, I'm going to duplicate this 3 times for the 3 different tutorials that we're going to do. The first one that we can do is we can go in and click liquify, turn the distortion and momentum all the way down, and then you could do size and pressure how you would like. And it is going to slowly, like, literally liquefy it, I guess you could say, to where it stretches. This is probably one of the ones that I dislike the most because it changes the way the letters look. It warps them really weird looking, and I just don't like it. I don't think it looks good, but that is an option. This is the good way to do it if you're doing the stack text. So if we had Mary, 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 and you wanted to just slowly do a little bit of a wave, then that would be the only option I would use that for. The second one is you go to the select tool and you're going to go to warp, and you're going to click advanced mesh, and you can go in and slowly warp both sides of the text. I try to do them as close as I can to the same on each side, and then you can slowly push up in the middle. This one definitely looks a lot better, and it doesn't change the letters as much when it comes to like warping them or making them look drippy or anything like that. So this is one of the best options that we have for this. And then the last option that Procreate gives you is just taking it letter by letter. So I'm just going to go in and duplicate each letter and just do one letter per line, like per layer. And then you can just manually go in and twist and turn them and rotate them using the green rotate portion once you click select right there, and you can tilt your letters. This one isn't horrible if you're not doing a lot, but definitely out of the 3 that you're able to do, I would do the advanced mesh. It really probably is going to just depend how like the letter size is, because something that's really, really, really long is going to do completely different than a short letter like this, where it's just a short word. And then also, I prefer just to not do my lettering like that. So what I did, and I'll show you guys in the finished PNG design tutorial, is that I went into Canva with my graphic, and then I rotated the text around it. So I'll do a video on how to do that in Canva. And then I downloaded that as a transparent background and drop that in over my design if I was going to do it in Procreate, just to let you guys know that's how I do that. But I hope this helps, just kind of give you an option for warping in Procreate.